All right, everyone, let's get this poured before the heat hits.
Yep, moving the forms now.
Watch the clearance on that beam.
Keep it steady.
All right, firing up the welder. That cat means business now.
He's the new foreman.
See this junction right here? That's where the main support goes in.
Got it. Looks like we're on track. Whoa, what the?
Hey, are you okay? He almost went down.
Are you hurt?